Welcome to Boost. Today, we are going to be giving you a heads up on how to take care of yourself during this COVID times. Always, and I mean always, remember to sanitize your hands when going into the lab. Stay safe. Here is a quick hack on how to prevent fogging of goggles and glasses. Boost University knows how to take care of its students. This is the free care package given to the students to keep us all safe. Ain't that great?
Hello, my name is Lucky Reddy Heavy and I study Geology in Houston.
Hi, my name is Kim Lone Reetsang. Everyone, I'm Kim Lone.
Hello everyone, my name is Kim Lone. We are second year undergraduates studying Geology at Boost, Palapa. Today we'll be showing you some safety precautions that we take in times of COVID-19 in our laboratory exercise.
The first step is to sanitize the workplace. I think that may be a tad much, but you can never be too safe. They are now going to demonstrate how to use the equipment safely in the lab. Wow, what a safe transition. They surely deserve a round of applause. Sanitizing and disinfecting should be like breathing. That's how important it is. Be safe.